and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to record your desktop screen in QuickTime. Now before we continue, I am using a Mac and my computer screen may look different from yours, so just keep that in mind if you can't find anything. But most of this should be applicable no matter where you're at. So in order to get started, you're going to open up the QuickTime app. Now for me, I have it saved in my dock, but if you don't, you can't find it, head on over to your Finder app and you're going to click on Applications, and you can either scroll down and hunt for it, or you can type in QuickTime until it comes up, because I love shortcuts. And this is what the icon looks like, so you're going to double click that. And the only indication that QuickTime opened is you'll see QuickTime Player in the upper left. There's no window, there's no notification, there is nothing. And if you accidentally click elsewhere, like let's say you click on your screen, you'll notice it disappears. So just head on down to your dock and it will probably show up in this area if you don't have it saved on your dock. And then just click the icon and you'll see it comes back up again. So before we continue, because I am recording my screen right now using QuickTime, you won't really be able to see this feature later on, but this button here is it's one way to stop your screen recording. This is the way that I use. So whenever you're done recording, just click on that button and you are finite, officially. So in order to start your screen recording, you're going to click on File and New Screen Recording. Now, I will be making a video on how to record your screen on an iPhone, and that method is different. You use the movie recording. But for your desktop computer, where your QuickTime is located, you're going to use New Screen Recording. And you're going to click that, and you'll notice a dashed line surrounding your screen. You can kind of just barely see it at the top. It will automatically be set based on the settings you use in your last video, or if you've never done this before, it may just randomly choose a setting. So how you adjust it is you hover over these circles and then click and drag down until you get the screen to where you want. Just keep in mind the end goal, like if you do want to turn this into a video to share on YouTube or something, you'll want to keep the aspect ratio kind of in line with a rectangle. And anything that's lit up is what will be seen on your screen, and anything in the dark edges, this will not be seen. Right now I am recording my full desktop screen, but typically when I'm doing a tutorial on Canva or Facebook, I only pull it up to the top of my tabs. I don't pull it all the way up to the top of my screen. So once you get that situated, you're going to head on down to Options here, and you can choose where you want your file to save. I usually have it saved on my desktop just so it's easier to find, and you'll have your timer here, which I don't use, and then underneath you'll see microphone. You're not seeing it right now because I'm currently recording, but you'll see a section like this. It'll say microphone, and it will have you choose your internal microphone, or if you have an external microphone hooked up, that's where you would select it. And once you are ready to start recording, you would see this button. It would say start recording, but because I'm already recording, it says stop recording. So you would click that button and wait 3 seconds. I have learned this as soon as I started talking. After I hit the record button, I noticed that the beginning part of my video was cut off. So 3 seconds tends to be the sweet spot. Just count to yourself, and then after that 3 seconds, start talking, record your video, and when you're done, again, you'll want to click in that button up here, which you can just barely see. So I hope that helps, and stay tuned for my iPhone screen recording on QuickTime. And if you're starting a business, check out my free online Business 101 course. Details are in the description. I'll see you in the next video.